Hey you guys, what's going on today's video? Well, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how the staff management module works and how you'll be able to set your staff up with goals and all the basics. So let's go ahead and start off by clicking on staff management, and we are gonna start off by clicking on new, since you're not gonna have any employees set up. And what you want to do first is give your employee, your rep, a username, which I have chosen to go with Roy123. And you're also going to give that employee a password, a staff login password. Then you're going to type in their first name and their last name, which is going to be followed by typing in their home address, which I recommend you guys do keep a tight and detailed information on your employees for admin users, of course. So once you do type in the home number, the home address, you'll want to go on to the next one and type in their contact number. Once that's done, you want to type in their email, and this is going to be useful for whenever you do send out your weekly schedules. This is where they'll be arriving to their email address. And then you're also going to have the ability to upload a employee image onto their profile and jump on to clicking complete on the top right side of the screen. Now that we have created this new employee, we're going to go ahead and click on this bottom one, the last one on the bottom here, which is the last one we just created a second ago. And this is where you'll also be able to give them, or better yet, you're going to be able to keep track of their payroll, whether you pay them by the hour, whether you pay them a salary. If you are paying them by the hour, you want to type in the amount that they are paid by the hour. If it's salary, same thing. You want to type in the amount for the salary. And we're going to go ahead and go on to sales goals, which this is where they'll be constantly reminded where they are and what they need to do to reach their personal goals. That's going to be based off activations. It's also going to be based off upgrades, accessories. On upgrades, I'm sorry, I gave this particular employee 25 upgrades to do per month. And then I gave a goal of $200 worth of accessories as a goal. Again, on services, they have $100 of worth of goals to reach on services. And the last one here on the bottom would be repairs. So if you guys are doing repairs, they'll also be able to have a goal. And of course, this is going to help them know where they stand as a sales rep and what they need to do, what they need to get done. Now we're going to go ahead on and click on to the next one, which is location access. And this is for companies who rotate their employees from one store to the other. You can click them all, or if they only work at a certain location, you want to select the location that they are going to have access to, which is the only location they'll be able to log in and start running transactions for. Once you guys are done setting these up, you want to click on the top right on update, and I'm going to go ahead and take a step back. And once your employees quit or you let them go, either one, this is where you'll be able to see who used to work for you, who used to be in the business before. And the reason why they're under inactive and you'll still be able to track what they've done is because, in the future, you never know, you want to run a report of what they did when they used to work for you. And this is why it's done this way. Now, it's schedules. This is where you'll be able to make a schedule. Where you're going to go ahead and click on new. You're going to select the time that the schedule is going to be for. which is going to be from Monday the 20th all the way to Sunday the 26th. We're going to go ahead and click complete and select, we're going to select the location and click complete. And now here it's pretty basic. We're going to start off, of course, by Monday. We're going to click on the plus sign so we can add an employee or employees to this location's schedule for this period of time. So let's go ahead and do Roy Castillo. He's going to start off at 11 a.m., 11 in the morning, and their shift is going to be done by 8 p.m. So once that's done, you'll see right here the total hours that they need to work that day, and click continue on the top right. Now, as you can see here, Roy Castillo, this is going to be their schedule, and you're going to do the same for every day that you want them to receive their schedule on, right? So we're going to go ahead and click update. And as you can see right on top here, their schedule has been sent to the email that you signed them up with when you created the new employee. Now, let's go ahead and take a quick step back where we are going to jump onto selecting time clocks. This is where you're going to find out if you don't want to send schedules, which is an option. This is where you'll be able to know the exact amount of hours that they worked. You know, this is going to help you guys not pay more than you have to, helping you save a buck or two. So what you're going to do to be able to run this report is you're going to select the store that you want to run this for and select the employee, right? Pretty basic. So we're going to select a certain amount of time, and we're going to click search, and pretty much to generate the report based off the hours that a certain employee worked. You're going to see what time they clocked in, what time they clocked out, the date, and the location they were at, giving you a total of the hours they worked. It's fast and simple to use, guys. And this is pretty much it on the staff management module, where you'll be able to give everyone certain details, specific details on what you want them to do as in sales performance. And of course, giving you total control over all of your employees. And that's pretty much it, guys. We'll be in touch. There's more videos coming up. Well, I guess until next time, guys, make it a great day. Take care. Goodbye.